Hello, teacher.
Hello, Bill. How are you today? How are you
I'm
today?
doing
Can you hear me? Okay. Bill ơi, Bill vào bằng 2 máy hả? Phải không Bill? Cô đang thấy một
Không
máy
ạ.
vào đúng không? Không phải hả?
Cô có học máy mới mà.
Okay. So how is the weather today? How is the weather today, Bill? Can you hear me?
Trả lời đi con.
Bill nghe thấy cô nói không?
Có à.
Sorry, how is the weather today?
It's
Yes. Sunny, hot, rainy, cold, or can you tell me?
It's
Yes.
rainy.
It's rainy, okay, and it's wet, right? All right, do you go to school today?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What do we have? What lesson do we learn today at school?
I have 4 lessons. Listen.
Okay. You have music? You have music?
No.
No? Okay, so do you have English today at school? Do you have English today at school? English. Yes, okay. Very good. All right, so are you hungry? Are you hungry now?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
It's rice.
Okay, you say, I want to eat rice. Okay. All right, so Bill, today we learned about farm animal. Okay, farm animal. Can you tell me what farm animal do you know?
It's sheep.
Sheep. What else?
Chick.
Sheep. Okay, what else?
Duck.
Duck.
It's
What else?
elephant.
No, farm animal. The animal live on the farm. So I think elephant don't live in the farm, right? Elephants? Maybe.
Cow.
A cow. Okay, good. So now let's find out what are farm animal. Okay, let's go. Teacher is sharing my screen. Can you see it? Yes, right. Okay, good. All right, so teacher have a video. Okay, that is a song about farm animal. Okay, now let's watch together.